this is how you use the awesome new DermaPRF pen. First, you need that fully charged. You need this syringe for the PRF, and you need the tip. So to put this together, you want the numbers to be facing out. This will be loaded when you have the PRF in there, but we're showing you how to put it together right now. You have two separate pieces. You have the tip with the needles and the little hose. The hose is going to attach to the syringe, and I prefer to screw this in first, so this goes here in the end. You're going to find the thread so you don't cross thread it, don't force it, it'll go in there somehow. There we go. All right, and now you have a little knob here for the hose to go into. So you just put it in like that, make sure it's pushed all the way down to the bottom, and you're ready to microneedle the face.